Published June 24, 2022. 1. A floating city named Oceanic City is going to be set up in which country? A. Maldives, B. Malaysia, C. South Korea, D. Singapore. Show answer. Correct answer, C. South Korea. Notes: the UN announced world's first ever floating city named Oceanic City in April this year. It is going to be set up off the coast of South Korea's second largest city, Busan. The construction process is going to commence next year. 2. Bashi Channel, which was making news recently, is part of which strait in the Pacific Ocean? A. Taiwan Strait, B. Luzon Strait, C. Karimata Strait, D. Malacca Strait. Show answer. Correct answer, B. Luzon Strait. Notes: the Bashi Channel, which connects the South China Sea with the western Pacific Ocean, is a waterway between the Philippines' northern island of Luzon and the Taiwanese island of Orchid. It is part of the Luzon Strait, which connects the Philippine Sea to the South China Sea. 3. Russian enclave Kaliningrad, that was in news recently, is located in which sea? A. North Sea, B. Labrador Sea, C. Baltic Sea, D. Beaufort Sea. Show answer. Correct answer, C. Baltic Sea. Notes: the Russian enclave Kaliningrad is located on the Baltic Sea. It is sandwiched between Lithuania and Poland. It was captured by the USSR from Nazi Germany in April 1945. It became part of the USSR territory as the result of the Potsdam Agreement. It was recently in news because of a row after Lithuania decided to ban goods part of EU sanctions from moving through its territory to reach Kaliningrad. 4. Which tissue organ of human body is affected by myelodysplastic syndrome? A. Blood cells, B. Thymus gland, C. Lymphatic vessels, D. Pancreas. Show answer. Correct answer, A. Blood cells. Notes: myelodysplastic syndrome is a rare type of blood cancer that affects the body's ability to make healthy blood cells in the bone marrow. It obstructs the body's ability to produce blood cells. Its treatments range from blood transfusion to chemotherapy or stem cell transplantation. 5. Which body is responsible for the implementation of the Nippon project of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs? A. National Skill Training Institute, B. National Skill Development Fund, C. National Skill Development Corporation, D. National Council for Vocational Education and Training. Show answer. Correct answer, C. National Skill Development Corporation. Notes: National Skill Development Corporation, NSDC, which comes under the aegis of the Union Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, is responsible for the implementation of the Nippon project of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. It will train, monitor and track potential candidates under this initiative.